Good morning. Today our lesson will be math and metric units. Please open your notebook, a new page, write the day, date, and the lesson title. Let's start together. Today you will be able to choose the most appropriate unit of math and convert between units of mass. Mass is the amount of matter that something contains. So 1 gram is about the weight of a Skittle sweet. Who loves Skittles? It's delicious. Imagine that 1 gram is very light. It's about the weight of one Skittle sweet. And of course, it's about the weight of one M&M sweet with chocolate, of course. And also, it's about the weight of one grape, just one. 1 kilogram is about the weight of a cantaloupe. Now, look at the difference. 1 kilogram is about a liter of soda. It's about a basket of fruits. But 1 gram is about one paper clip, one cube of sugar. So did you see how light is 1 gram? Now, if we want to see which unit is the most appropriate to measure the weight of an eraser, of course, gram. Amazing. Which unit would you use to measure the weight of a mug? Mug that you drink with milk? Of course, gram. Which unit would you use to measure the weight of a baby? Kilogram, of course. Which unit would you use to measure the weight of a pencil case? Of course, gram, because it's light. Weight of hamster, hamster. Who has a hamster? Who loves hamster? Of course, gram, it's not heavy. Weight of a baseball, baseball, it should be light. Because of that, it's grams. Weight of a truck, truck, of course, kilogram. A fridge, of course, kilogram. So did you see how easy is the lesson? Now, we said that the gram is very light and the kilogram is big, is heavy. So imagine that 1 kilogram is 1,000 times the gram. Did you see how heavy is it? So 2 kilogram, we said that from big to small we multiply. So we should multiply by what? By 1,000. 2 times 1,000, 2,000. So what we did is we said that to change from kilogram to gram, we multiply by 1,000. 2 times 1,000, which is 2,000 gram. Let's try this. Who wants to try it? Try it in your notebook with me. 15 kilogram, change it to gram. We multiply by what? 5,000. Thank you. So the answer is 15 times 1 is 15. We put three zeros in front. So 15,000. Did you see? Now, let's think a little bit of this. Fill in the proper unit, gram or kilogram. Now, someday, do you think that it will be 250 gram or kilogram? I think we eat it as a gram. Excellent. So it's 250 gram, the first one. The second one, a hammer. Hammer, it's supposed to be two what? 2 gram? Is it too light? No, it's heavy a little bit. So it's about 2 kilogram. A boy, 20 what? Excellent, I heard you, 20 kilogram. Alarm clock, do you think that it's very heavy? No, it's light, so it's about 450 gram. A paintbrush, we need to paint with it, so it will be 150 gram. Picture frame is about 1 watt, yani it's a little bit heavy, which is 1 kilogram. Did you see how do we choose the unit? It's easy. Think a little bit, is it light or heavy? Now choose the most appropriate unit. I need you to open your notebook and solve with me. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. The mass of basketball, remember that we play with. Sofa, horse, wallet, dog, pencil, car, magazine. Let's check the answers. I'm sure that you did all of them correct. Now use the information at the right for 15 to 18. What's the total? Remember the total. What is it? It's a keyword for addition or subtraction. Excellent, addition. Now 2 apples. What should we do? It's 2 apples. So we're gonna add what? 1 apple is 1600. So we're gonna write 16, and do you remember the steps? Line up the numbers by the decimal point. So plus 16. Did we line them up? Yes, there are. Now, how do we write the answer? 1600 plus 1600. Let's remember, we start adding from where? From the right. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Oh, 6 plus 6 is 12. We write 2 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1, 1. And 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1, 3. So here 3. We put the decimal point and the 0. So it's 3200 kilogram, of course. Do you remember? Now, let's try the second one. 2 slices of watermelon. So, 5/10 plus 5/10. Line them up. What is the answer? We start from where? From the right. Excellent. 0, 10, because 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. So it's 1 kilogram. Hard? Of course no. Let's see number 17. So here are the answers. Number 17 now. The slice, how much more? What do we mean by how much more? More, we said it's subtraction. So how much more is the mass of the slice of watermelon than the apple? Which one is greater? Let's first see which one is greater. 5 or 1? Of course 5. So which one we should start subtracting? The watermelon. So 5. Oh, let me do it. So we're gonna write 0.5, which is 5/10 minus 1600. Line them up. When we line them up, we need, I think, here to write a 0. Now, we start from where? From the right. 0 minus 6, we can do it. We're gonna borrow 4. And this becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Decimal point 0. So the answer is 3400 kilogram. Now we should think a little bit of 18, the slice of watermelon, than 3 apples. So here we have we have the mass of 1 apple. We need the mass of 3 apples. So what's the first step? The first step is we should multiply this number by 3 because we have 3 apples. So we're gonna say 16 times 3. Who wants to remind me with multiplication? I'm gonna remind you, forget about the decimal point, multiply. From the right, 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 3 times 0 is 0. Now we count the decimal point after how many digits? 1, 2. So we count 1, 2 from the right, put the decimal point, and make the decimal dance. Do you remember the decimal dance? Make it. So now we have the mass of 3 apples is 0.48, which is 48 hundredths. We need to know the difference between the mass of a slice of watermelon and 3 apples. So what's the mass of the watermelon? 0.5, which is 5 tenths, and the 3 apples, 48. Compare them. Here, 0 with 0, 5 with 4. So we're gonna start with watermelon because it's heavier. 0.5 minus 0.48. And of course, I line up the decimal point. I need to put here a 0. 0 minus 8 we can't. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Decimal point 0. So the difference is just 200. Is it hard? Did you see how easy? So we revised 2 lessons. The first lesson comparing, the second lesson adding and subtracting. No, 3 lessons. And the 3 one, which is multiplying money or decimals with a number. Did you see how smart are you? Check your answers again. Now it's the time for the homework. Don't forget, go to the link. If you can't click it like this, just copy it and paste it on the Google. Now I need to tell you 2 notes. The first note that if you need to sign in, when you click this, if Google asks you to sign in, it means that you should enter the Gmail. And I think most of you have Gmail, so please sign in any Gmail or make a new Gmail. It's up to you. The second thing, if you have any other problem, just send me a message on my account. Thank you so much for watching. Miss you all. Have a nice day.